Take your meat and press it onto your large tortilla, getting that all around, flattening it as flat as possible, are able to make it. You want to spread that impossible meat all over, and of course repeat that with your other tortilla, making a nice round of meat over top, spreading it all around, getting it as even as possible on there to form these two meat patties on our tortillas. Then take your spatula, ready for it, and flip. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. To cook these on that side, get them going. Once cooked, give that another flip, just like that. Easy, and of course, repeat with the other. Ooh, look at that beautiful meat. Take your cheese. Now onto my impossible meat, I'm going to place just some American cheese. This is a classic. It will melt, get nice and gooey, so just place those right on there. And now you're gonna wanna cover each of these with a pan to encourage that cheese to melt. And another pan right over here, getting those nice domes of steam. Now, time for a garnish. We're gonna take a tomato, just thinly sliced your tomato, to go right onto this. This is basically gonna turn into a little burger taco, slicing those right there. Then look, I have a huge thing of pickles here. Just stick your hand in, grab a nice pickle, and I'm gonna cut this the long way, getting some nice thin long slices that'll go straight into our taco. And time for the reveal. Just like that, our cheese is nice and melted, so it's time to top it. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of our lettuce, then take a nice pickle right down the center like that, followed by your tomatoes over there, then a little bit of onion, a classic cheeseburger combo. Ready for the second reveal? Bam! Perfectly melted cheese as well. And we're just going to repeat the exact same process on there, getting that nice and covered with your lettuce, your tomato, your pickle, and of course, also your onion. Now take your spatula, give that a nice fold like that to form it into a taco shape. Transfer from here straight onto your cutting board. It is nice and hot, and repeat the same with your other taco, giving that a nice fold just like that. Don't worry if some of that falls out, we'll tuck it back in. Straight from here onto your cutting board, and now it's time to give that a slice. Ready? Ooh, look at this interior. Come on, look at that beautiful interior we've created there. Let that cool. Time to pull out the hot sauce and give it a try. Little bit of hot sauce right on there. Beautiful, and cheers. I mean, come on, how delicious is that? Oh yeah, oh my God. A perfect little package, easy way to enjoy a classic type of cheeseburger. And this version is plant-based because I use plant-based meat. You can of course use beef if you'd like, but nonetheless, a delicious burger taco. Come on, cheeseburger taco, you should make this super duper easy as you see, and in a perfect little compact package.